Imagine losing up to 26 pounds in just 14 days. It's not a magic trick, but a wondrous result of the soup diet, a regimen often recommended to obese heart patients before surgery. However, it is crucial to note that this diet should not be adhered to strictly unless necessary due to its intense nature. Now, let's delve into the recipe for this fat-burning soup. The main ingredients are 16 large green onions, 1 or 2 cans of tomatoes, a large cabbage head, 2 green peppers, a bunch of celery, a packet of onion soup mix, a large carrot, and a dash of salt and pepper. All these vegetables are cut into small or medium pieces and covered with water. After a quick boil for 10 minutes, they are simmered until the vegetables are tender. This soup can be consumed anytime you feel hungry, and the more you eat, the more weight you lose. Make sure to eat all the foods along with the soup each day. Otherwise, you may suffer from malnutrition. The diet plan is as follows. Day 1, only fruits, excluding bananas and soup. Day 2, only vegetables and soup. Try to eat leafy greens, but avoid dry beans, peas, or corn. No fruits on this day. Day 3, soup, fruits, and vegetables as much as you like. If you followed the plan for 3 days without deviation, you would have already lost between 5.5 to 7 pounds. Day 4, bananas, skimmed milk, soup, and as many glasses of water as you can drink. Up to 3 bananas and 3 glasses of skimmed milk. The milk and bananas are rich in calories and carbohydrates, but are necessary on this day for potassium, carbohydrates, proteins, and calcium to reduce the craving for sweets. Day 5, beef and tomatoes. You should have between 10 to 20 ounces of beef and a can of tomatoes or 6 fresh tomatoes. Drink at least 5 to 6 glasses of water to help flush uric acid from your body. Eat soup at least once this day. Day 6, beef or chicken and vegetables, but no boiled potato. Have 2 or 3 steaks with leafy greens. Ensure you eat soup at least once. Day 7, unprocessed rice, sweet fruits, juice, vegetables, and soup at least once. By the end of the 7th day, if you've not deviated from the diet, you would have lost between 13 and 16.5 pounds. If you lose more than 16.5 pounds, avoid the diet for 2 days before restarting. This 7-day diet plan can be repeated as often as you wish. Avoid the diet for at least 24 hours before consuming alcohol. Bread, frozen foods, alcohol, and soft drinks, including diet ones, are prohibited. Remember, staying informed about health, wellness, and recovery, as well as recent medical announcements and research, is critical. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to the Hippocrates.org YouTube channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated about new videos. Share your thoughts in the comments and suggest topics of your interest.